Yes, right up here.
Where we will be staying for the next few nights for Memorial Day weekend. If you want to check out the Blue Heron Campground, you can get their website, blueheroncampground.com, or you can not get the website, but you can go to the website. They have got several different types of site. If you want a site with full 50 amp surface water and sewer, is $45 a night for the first 4 guests. Do have additional cost if you have more guests. Hey, but if you stay 6 nights, guess what happens?
7th night's
Free! Yay. They do have water and electric sites only. They've got 30-50 amp hookup, and they do have a really pretty dump station. It doesn't even
pretty dump station.
Yeah, it's nice. It's $35 for the first 4 guests. Then they also have these really incredible tent sites. Not that I want to do that, but they are right along the river. And they are $25 a night for the first 2 guests. Then you pay each additional. Look how pretty this is. Driving in to the campground. Oh my goodness. Travel road. But look at the little light.
I think it's going to be awesome.
I mean, we are right under the bridge, right on the water. Wow.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
It's going to be really cool. Hey, guys, thanks for tuning in. We hope you enjoy. All right, Blue Heron, here we are. It's about 29 RV sites, I think, and 3 tent areas. Is that right? 4 tent areas. That's awesome. And you can see right here is the White River Bridge. Goes over into Mountain Home from Cotter, Arkansas. And so beautiful campsite here. Straight ahead is the river, of course. You can see kind of from up here, there's 3 sites right here. Looks like a little Wi-Fi repeater right up there. So the Wi-Fi is decent at least. We haven't tried to stream anything yet, but they got like 3 or 4 of these Wi-Fi repeaters. In a campground of 29 sites, that's quite a bit. So hopefully there's enough bandwidth here to handle some stuff, and we'll find that out in a little bit. We're getting really good reception. See, as we come down the hill, there's 5 or 6 on either side, and then 5 or 6 over there. A lot of good sites. As we go on down, we'll get closer to the river, and the river is just absolutely gorgeous. This is about, for those of you who don't know, just a little bit down from the Bull Shoals Dam, where they release water out of it. They were generating when we were down there a while ago. You can see the river running, and I looked at the schedule, and they're supposed to be generating all day. So we generate electricity, and it puts a little active. This is one of the world's best trout streams, and we'll see that down here in just a minute. So I'm going to just walk around this campground with you and let you have some of the sights and sounds of it. There's a few, I think, somewhat permanent residents, at least monthly residents here, but there's also a lot of weekend campers as well. There's a California license, and Florida, so you can see some of it could be contractors, but there's a lot of different places represented here. So here we are at the corner, coming on around the way. There's our campsite over there. We've left our front door, storage door open. Need to go shut that. And you can see one of the permanent campers here. Probably they've got a ramp there. I don't know if that's a handicap access or it's pretty steep if it is. So anyway, J-code, and then this again. There's our site over here on the left, and then straight ahead is the office. There's also a cabin in the upstairs of the office. I think it's about I don't know, that's 2 bedrooms or something like that up there. Really nice. It's the pictures we saw. What? No, I don't. A couple of R-pods here. We used to have an R-pod, not like those, but kind of interesting. A couple of R-pods right across from each other. I'm going to go this way toward the river. Anyway, there's a little camper cabin over here, a little bitty one. Probably like, I heard, I think about $70 a night. Bedroom.
Is there a hammock?
They have a hammock. And anyway, they're building a fire out there. And then here's some tent camping off to the right, which is right on the river there. Really, really nice tent campsites on the river. You'll see down here some boats that have parked in here. Some campers have brought their boats. And then they do some guide service out of here as well for trout fishing. This is world-class trout fishing. Again, there's the riverfront cabin, and downstairs is the office, and there's a bathhouse in there as well. Haven't been in there yet. I may walk in there just to kind of check that out here in just a minute. So we're going to walk down. There's a boat ramp right here, and there's a pavilion over here that we sat at this afternoon for an hour or so and just watched the river and watched the boats come by and people play down here. So it was kids play down here, and so that was fun. And you can see there's a little boat trailer right off here to the right. We saw them launch this boat earlier today. I think it may be tied up down here. They may, no, it's still tied up down here. And so we're going to walk up here pretty close to the river and give you a little footage of the White River near Mountain Home, Arkansas, outside of Cotter, near Flippin, of Ranger boat fame. So there's back to the bridge. You can see it moving along there a little bit. And we're going to pan around. You can see some houses up on the ridge. In fact, Melanie's cousin lives up there somewhere. We don't know exactly where. We're going to maybe get in touch with them later. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful views of the river. And then if we look back toward the campground, toward the cabin, toward the office, there you can see there's some canoes there and kayaks.
It's a nice little sitting areas.
And there's really, as my wife just mentioned, a beautiful setting over here with a couple of fire rings. And so, you know, this is the Blue Heron Resort. So it really does have some really nice features in terms of places to stay. Campsites are fairly close together, but they're really level and nicely done. And I think I'm probably darking out because I'm walking right into the sun here. It's not the best ideal. Thanks for hanging with us. We make all the rookie mistakes. So you can see there's a couple of fire rings with Adirondack chairs around them, really nice. And then if we look back into the pavilion, pavilion's really nice as well. So this is it, Blue Heron Campground near Mountain Home, Cotter, Arkansas, on the White River. So this is the office area. Over here is the office. We haven't been in the office. They just met us out front and led us into the site. And really, it's really, really nice. The gentleman that let us in was just awesome. Is that Michael? What was his name? Michael was his name, and the family and Michael run this place, and kind of really, really cool. And inside this hallway here is a bathhouse. They've got a men's and women's. Each of them has a shower, a couple of toilets. So that's one of the amenities here at the campground. They do have a laundry facility. Actually, it's right at the entrance of the campground. So haven't been inside yet. So let's take a look. Laundry. I don't even know if it's open, to be honest with you. Nope, not open right now. You just got to get a key or something from management, maybe. They didn't cover that with us on the check-in. Very gracious people here at Blue Heron.
Hey, thanks for watching our video review of the Blue Heron Campground in Cotter, Arkansas.
Yeah, thanks so much for coming along with us. We hope you'll like and subscribe to our video. Maybe hit that notification bell and let you know when the next one's coming up. We've had so much fun here. Coming up next, we're going to show you, we had a guided fishing trip yesterday, and it was amazing. Great guide, so we'll tell you all about that next time. Bye.